Welcome back. This is part 2 of the video tutorial about how you can make the best use of the 3D mapping tools in the weare.xyz program. In the previous part, I showed you how to create this map. And in this case, we are showing the areas that were important to my great uncle when he was captured at St. Quentin in the First World War in 1918, then taken to a prisoner of war camp in Cassel, and finally to another prisoner of war camp in Parchim. So we are now looking at this using the link that I've put below the video, and this is what you will see. So when you click into the map this time, this is where the beauty of the 3D mapping comes into place. You'll see on the top left-hand corner, we have a new icon called Start FlyBy. When we click that, it will actually take you to these 3 places. Just waiting for the internet to catch up. So we're now flying over a place called Cassel in Hesse, Germany, where he was first taken. And then we click next. And we're taken back to France, to St. Quentin, to see where he was captured. And what you're seeing now on the left are the pictures that I put in place and the little bit of description below. And finally, we'll take you to Parchim in the northern part of Germany. Where he spent the latter part of 1918. And depending on your speed, as with mine, this process might take a little time. Of course, I'm pushing the whole thing through Zoom, so it slows it down. But do have a go at that. Visit the link that I've put below the video, click on the map, and then use Start FlyBy. You can then close it, and then you can continue on your way to read the rest of the document that I've put in place. Have fun with that, and do have a go at creating your own 3D map for your ancestors.